This is what the VLA looks like.
6431, that was the...
It picks up radio signals from space, and they do kind of make pictures out of these, but it's not nothing you could make a movie out of. So Mikey's going to probably ask for a video of it. Telescope.
The Ridge Observatory. 4.9 out of 5 Google reviews, I guess.
That Alma is another one. It's down in Chile.
So I hope everybody's having a fantastic day there. If not, we'll phone them back again in a couple minutes.
Your call is being answered by Onyx. Melanie Hiron is not available. To leave a message, wait for the tone. When finished recording, press pound. Stay on the line while your call is completed. Long distance charges may apply. How can I help you?
Oh, good day. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing okay. I'm just phoning in regards to maybe asking a few questions about some videos of some stars. Would like to pass on my email and some videos to you guys. I'm kind of an amateur astronomer, and I've been
Pushing
recording
it a bit.
individual videos or videos of individual stars. And I'm wondering if I could compare my videos to your videos, if you have any.
Well, I can definitely get your information down. I'm not quite sure off the top of my head who that would go to, but I can
Okay.
find out and get it forwarded to them.
Okay, awesome. Okay.
What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Mike.
Your last name? And did you want to get...
Just an email will be fine. Well, I guess both probably would work too. Yeah.
Maybe I shouldn't have said that.
What about a good email?
Yeah, it's area, AREA, 66538 at gmail.com.
66538?
Yeah, area 6538 at gmail.com.
There's my pen and paper.
And it's for some videos of stars that you've taken?
Yeah, individual stars. Like, because I've recorded probably at least a half a dozen or maybe more. I've probably 9 or 10 stars individually, and they're not what they are prescribed as on the internet. And I've also recorded the so-called planet Venus as itself, and it's not as it's prescribed on the internet either. So I would like to kind of compare my videos with, if it is at all possible. I've phoned many other observatories and they don't seem to be understanding what I'm talking about, because I actually record videos of stars because they're not far, so they're quite close, and recording them as videos, it's very hard to get them clear throughout the few years that I've been doing it. But yeah, it's just something interesting about them, and I'd like to compare my footage with theirs if they have any. I don't think they're going to have any, because you can't record stars individually with telescopes. You have to use something smaller like binoculars. Yeah.
I'm not...
Well, binoculars are actually our small refracting telescopes that are paired up together, so they're the same thing.
Like, off the top of my head, I don't think we do. But it's definitely something I can ask around about.
Yeah, okay.
Ask some of our scientists, see if they might know anybody that would, or even could even answer, like, look at your footage and answer questions.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
But yeah, I can definitely pass the info on.
Okay.
Once I figure out who might be able to help.
Okay, sure. And is there a way of, like, So is this an actual observatory? Like, can the public come view is there a telescope there? Or observatory?
So we have radio antennas.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is the
We have
VLA.
a
I didn't
site
catch that.
has 27 antennas about 50 miles west of us, and then we have 10
Okay.
separate
Okay.
antennas around the
Okay.
country that help us as well.
And would you know about those radio antennas?
I don't know too much on like
Okay.
like
Do you-
on details matter.
Would you have like so-called like satellite dishes there?
I know we have a couple weather ones. I don't
Okay.
believe any other ones.
Yeah, like
Not
you wouldn't have a radio satellite or like a dish pointed toward the little horizon there at all?
That's
Well,
what a
our
radio
antennas
telescope
are
is. The only difference between a radio telescope.
capture the information that they need.
Yeah.
The only difference between a radio telescope and a satellite, well, it's the one is the frequency that you're detecting at, and if it's a natural or an artificial source. So I'll get back to talking to her.
And are they basically pointed to the horizon or?
Yeah, they'll go at different angles all throughout the day.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not sure how they decide to move them.
Okay. Yeah.
But yeah, they're constantly moving usually.
Yeah. Because they just got to keep up with the sky. Yeah.
Yeah.
With the firmament. Because
Yeah.
they're probably bouncing.
I know a lot more of the information, like more in depth on what they do with the antennas, is available on the website.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, is
more
it?
than I
Yeah.
can answer.
Okay. Well, would it be on that actual website, like the?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
under nrao.edu is where you're gonna find most of our information.
NARO? Oh no.
nrao.edu.
EDU. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, I'll check out the
And there's a lot
site.
more, like a lot of the pictures
Yeah.
that they've taken and stuff, that's also available on the website.
Oh, Elm's under them too.
Okay. Yeah. Awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
But yeah, I
Okay.
can go ahead and I'll try to figure out who might be able to help me out with it.
Okay, let's take a quick look at the website. Before I don't know if he ever will, but it says number of antennas. 28, 27 active, 1 spare, dish size 25 meters. Each one of them weighs 230 tons. Gives you the latitude and longitude of them. And aluminum panels accurate to 5 millimeters. And frequencies from 10 to 50 gigahertz. And resolution 0.2 arc seconds to 0.04 arc seconds. So very good. The north arm is 11 miles long and the two others are 13 miles. Okay, why can't you use metric? And the total configuration size is 22.68 because what? Another one's 7.08 and another one is 2.11 miles and the other one is 0.64 miles. Here's the thing with radio, what you can do with any light is you can kind of add it together in an interference pattern to get a better image. It's called interferometry, and that's what these ones are really good at. But what they do is detect radio frequencies, and radio passes through a lot of stuff that you can't see through in optical, and like dust and stuff, so it's very good with that stuff. So, and tracking stuff like pulsars, which give off radio frequencies. So back to him.
This is capturing so long.
Okay. Thank you very much then.
Yeah, is there anything else I can help with?
No, that's perfect. Thank you very much for your time.
I don't know how it would be
Okay.
produced a video. You can stitch a bunch
Okay, we're gonna
bunch
check
together.
out this site. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, anyways, looks like we're done, right?
Let's see what he
We'll go for
says.
that. See, that didn't work.
Yep.
Oops, of course I typed it in wrong. As usual.
You could always stitch a bunch of radio telescope images together to make a video, but you couldn't it be different than just pointing a camera at something and making a video. Image reduction and analysis facility. Don't ask me how I know.
Is correct. My report was 25, 26 values all allegedly. Yeah, anyway, yeah. I can just go to the Which one did we phone here? Oh yeah, it's right then. NRAO, because I wrote it right there. Yeah, NRAO. .edu. Here it is. Here we go. Yeah, so we'll bring it up on the stream here. I just want to check it out. Gallery. Okay, yeah, let's look at the gallery here. Search gallery. Well, just give me the gallery. Black holes. Exoplanets. All right, we gotta check. We gotta check this out, guys. We gotta check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check out the comic routine here.
Well, with black holes, you see the dust around the black hole give off heat, or you pick it up using a radio telescope or an infrared telescope, so that's a good thing for them. Exoplanets, maybe spectroscopy a little bit, but we'll see what he does. This should be interesting.
Stop and share.
Yeah.
I hate when they say, okay, so, they even got a, let's check this out, guys. And,
Different radio telescopes of the past. And there's another kind of radio telescope. It's just a bunch of antennas out in the field, and you kind of add the signals together through your interferometry that way. Interferometry.
So we still got to phone back the one, but we'll probably. Oh my God! Look at this junk. 1 million reasons to celebrate NRAO. No, I don't. I can't even think of one.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, so gallery. Let's go to check out gallery here. Yeah, so they've got these big things here.
Radio telescopes. So,
where was that one? Oh yeah, I want to look at. Exoplanets.
oh, that's
galaxies. Yeah, whatever. Here, okay, stars. Not sure if they're gonna have any actual real stars here, but oh my God, not even close. Did you know that pulsars can get a kick out of a supernova? No, sorry.
Maybe we should go
again. I don't know what this is. Don't know what this is. This is complete garbage.
Galaxies. I think that's M51.
Garbage. Oh boy. Again, these are not stars. I thought you were going to show me stars.
Supernova.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's a good picture, eh? Look at this thing.
1987.
What is this? These are stars. This is not stars. Okay, can we click on this? What is this? These are not. Oh my God, are you kidding me? What? What is this?
I'm not understanding what's going on there.
Zoom in. These are not stars. Oh, this is hilarious. What is this garbage? You can't be serious that people are allowed to display this shit on the internet. Absolutely horrific. What the hell? Oh my God. Wow, this is garbage. I can't believe this. I just can't. Oh my God. This is worse than NASA's junk. Oh boy, look at all the fancy colors, guys.
NASA, I think, has
Yeah, visual artists in impressions. Yeah.
a lot of a lot of these images are in false color, so we can see them. They just get like relatively how bright each pixel is. So these are just they are a little bit not 100% accurate, but they're just to change so we can see them.
Unbelievable. What is this? That's chromatic aberration if I've ever seen it.
Well,
color fringing, whatever you want to call it. Oh
radio telescopes also have lower resolution than optical telescopes.
my God. I should have checked this out before I phoned them. Holy moly. Yeah, oh, this is a good one. I like this. This is funny.
I think they're studying the aurora on the top of
the boundary between giant planet and brown dwarf. Oh my God. This is absolutely horrific. What is, oh my God. Look at this. Zoom in. Look, it's all pixelated.
This is more of an artistic impression, I would imagine.
What the frick, guys? Let's go check out the, oops. Where'd that top go? Scroll down here, looks like, oops. Bring that down, there we go. There you go, isn't that exciting?
That's an aurora, pretty cool.
Oh my God. Yeah, okay.
That's what an aurora looks like from space.
Yeah, I feel really sad for those sheep out there. I'm not sure what to say, but yikes. Wow, when these guys phone me, I got some serious questions, man. Frick, we're going to phone these guys back at some point. Throughout the next week or two. I can't believe this. I can't believe they get away with this.
Crab nebula.
Look at this.
In radio.
You look at the crab nebula. No, it's not. This is not real. Stars are not blue. Stars are not blue or white. Oh my God. Comic cereal. I can't believe this shit anymore. Let's look at something else. Okay, exoplanets, photoplanetary disks.
Oh yeah, you'd be able to see the disks, and you see where the gaps are, where the planets are forming.
Brown dwarf, exoplanets. What are we looking at? We're looking at stars, right? Or galaxies? What are we looking at?
Looks like a bunch.
Stars, supposedly. Okay. Exoplanets. Guys. Oh my goodness, guys, this is freaking hilarious.
I think we may take a closer look at this.
Yeah, DJ New Moon could do a better picture with his with his videos, man. Holy cow. Okay, whatever. Let's just keep going with this crap, I guess. I don't know. Exoplanets. Let's see what you got here.
You see the discs.
Absolutely nothing. Look at this. Like, what is this? This is garbage. This is not real.
I don't think that's real. I don't think it's meant to be
what
real.
What are you
just an artist's impression.
Yeah, there you go. Artist impression of a red dwarf star. Yeah, why don't you show us the real one? Oh my God. Hey, where's Astronomy Live, that son of a bitch? Is this part of his work out there?
You can see the disc of the planets forming.
Pretty good out there. Nice cartoons. Solar system. I don't need to look at this junk. Planetary discs. Burst galaxies. Whatever. Let's look at some funny galaxy pictures, I guess. Oh boy, this is not good. I don't know how people... How do you get away with this? Seriously, how do you get away with this, guys? Oh my God. This is just pathetic. absolutely no real photos of anything in this.
Well, these this is a radio observatory. They
Yeah,
don't take
Gurzo, good to
photos.
see you there. We got everybody else.
They scan the sky, trying to measure the radio. The radio in the background. They don't take optical observations, which are photos or images.
Record the phone call somehow. I gotta do it as a video. See, look at this. Like, what? They supposedly zoomed into this, whatever this is. It's just dumb. Image of the week. Am I allowed to post a comment on some of this stuff? Read more.
Peculiar Galaxy ARP 299.
Oh my god. Yeah, we should phone that lady back. We gotta phone her back, guys. We gotta.
I have a feeling some people are going to be using this material for a while.
Please stay on the line while your call is completed. Long distance charges may apply.
Rio, how can I help you?
Oh, good day. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good. I was just talking to you on the phone there a few minutes ago. I
Yes.
was checking out your site there. I'm kind of perplexed about something here. Again, I'm hoping somebody will get back to me and send me some like actual photos instead of all the computer generated images on your site there. Like, because none of them are actual photos or pictures of anything. It's all artist interpretations or renderings or like what they might think something would look like, but they're all cartoons and very bad at whatever they're doing. Like, they're not real photos of stars. They're not real photos of galaxies or nebulas. They're all computer generated.
There's colors added to them for scientific reasons. But I can keep that noted whenever I forward your information.
Yeah, I would like
to add a real photo.
Yeah, if there is ever one. I don't think there will be one sent to me, but yeah, because when I record the stars as a video, they're a frequency. Like, they're not far away. They're not balls of gas, for one thing. They are electrified by the firmament because they are connected to the firmament, and I've documented that too. So there's no actually any depth to the stars. I don't know why all these like astronomy sites are misrepresenting the stars. Like, I don't know, like, it's just go out and do it naturally. Like, record the stars with binoculars is what I use. I don't use a telescope because telescopes, I don't trust them. And you can't zoom into an individual star with
telescopes
a telescope.
lie.
Like, the first star recorded was the star Sirius, and the star Sirius is exactly that of Sirius XM radio. That is their logo, is the Sirius star. And Polaris, which is obviously in the center, it's the North Star, and that never moves, ever. We're supposed to be spinning, or
It does move. We actually, there's a little circle of motion that Polaris makes, plus over time the entire planet Earth, the pole shifts according to the stars. At one time it was Thubian in the constellation Draco, and it's about a 25,000-year-old cycle. But Polaris, there's another little thing about Polaris. Polaris is also a Cepheid variable star. It changes brightness over time because Cepheids change their diameter over time because they're a star changing from a main sequence star to a giant phase star, and their atmospheres kind of puff out for a while, then they cool off and gravity takes over, and then they concentrate helium in the atmosphere, or is it hydrogen or helium? It probably depends on which part of the cycle they are, and then they ignite and they expand again, and they keep doing this back and forth. they do this at such a regular pace, depending on their mass, that you use them as distance indicators to galaxies. And
We're moving in 3 different directions, and Polaris has never, ever moved. So I'm kind of curious on if anybody's recorded Polaris as a single star. I have myself, so I would like to, again, pass on my information to them. Would be fantastic.
Yeah, I mean, I can pass it along. Majority of the stuff we do is radio waves, not necessarily stars or nebulas or anything.
Yeah.
The most I can do is just pass it along.
Yeah, for sure, exactly. Yeah. Okay, perfect then. And is there who would, so you're on your site you've got pictures of like nebulas, supposed black holes, stars, galaxies, like who analyzes these things before they're posted on to your site? Like how would we, the public, confirm what you're doing?
Because this is what scientists do. They take the images, they process them, they do analysis on them. There's a program called image reduction, and this is an old program. Was it image reduction and analysis facility? I kind of took a course on this. Didn't do so well in the write-up part of the course, but it basically does measurements of how bright things are on the screen, or how, like if you're doing stars, how big the star is, because brighter stars would appear bigger in this program. That's what scientists do. They do the analysis, they publish papers, and you have to read the papers to figure out what's going on, to understand the complete analysis of the process. But Mikey just looks at a picture and goes, "Oh, I know that's not a star. The star looks like what I've taken."
I'm not sure. I just work in the business office. I'm not sure about who takes the videos or photos or who adds them to the site. I'm not sure about that process.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm just in the business office.
Yeah. Sounds good. Okay. Yeah. It'd be awesome if somebody could phone me back, or will somebody be in the office like tomorrow or early next week or something like that? Or?
A lot of the scientists, they don't take phone calls or interaction with the public
because they're busy.
I'll just have to see who's available, if anyone is available.
Yes.
To take those questions.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
I'm still trying to wait back on some answers.
Yeah, maybe the email would probably be the best way, but yeah, interesting. Okay. That's good then. I think I'll let you go then. Thank you very much for your time.
Yeah, have a great day.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, bye-bye. Nobody. Seriously, why? Of course, why would you want to talk to the public? Why would you? 16 Alpha, could you see there? Yeah, I just work here. I know. Oh, how do people? Okay, there's supposedly educated people out there with 450 degrees or diplomas, and yet they don't even notice that all this shit is cartoons. Well, what does education prove?
Some of them are just
than nothing.
Just to get a point across, not to actually do scientific work on. The ones he's going artist impressions. They're not going to
send me any videos of stars. They don't have any. I know they don't. The scientists. Shit, I'm more of a scientist than they are. Get real. This is hilarious. Did you win the court case yet? You'll know when I win it. Trust me. I'm not going to be sitting here in front of that wall.